Let's go eat at the Banh Factory in Riverview, Florida. Banh Factory also has a location in Tampa off of Del Mabry. Both locations have the same aesthetic. The only difference is that the Tampa location has a lot more options and it's a lot bigger. They have pho, banh mi, teriyaki bowls, and they got a variety of pastry options available. I'm a sucker for macaroons, but today I had to go with the ube cheesecake. All right, we have ube cheesecake while we wait for our pho. Savannah is gonna try with me. He's out of the camera, but cheers. So good. Here we have the special combination pho. It has beef and meatballs. Honestly, I've already had their pho before. This will be my third time. Let's check for consistency. Have to check, as expected. I think that it's a very good neutral. I like to add a little bit of fish sauce because I like mine a little bit more savory. That's just because I'm a high sodium gal. And I like to add a little bit of sweet to it. Not too much, so that's why I put hoisin. Then of course, sriracha with the freak. And then you need your jalapenos, and of course your basil. And I don't like bean sprouts, so I eat mine without the bean sprout. Now we have to stir it in. We have to fry the broth. There we go. All right, next we have our banh mi. The bread, I love the baguette. It's perfect. It's not too big, which I like. The very big baguettes, I hate chewing into them. They're so big and hard to bite into, and they just scratch up my gums. So I love the size. Even though it's skinnier, it's a lot longer, but it's cut in half, so I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. Cheers. You like it? Me too. All in all, honestly, the pho outside of my home is the best pho I've had. I'm not even joking. Which is the reason why I decided to come do a review here. This is not my first time eating here. I've been here before. The Tampa location is actually a lot bigger. They have a lot more options. So whether you're closer to Tampa or Riverview, I think it's worth checking out, stopping by. The pho is amazing. The banh mi is amazing. Honestly, the best banh mi I've had since I've been in the Tampa Bay area. And I think the best thing is that it's consistent. It's not a hit or miss where one day it's good and one day it's bad. This is my third time here, and each time the quality has been the exact same. I was trying to say same, but then my mic died. Anyways, guys, make sure you stop by the Banh Factory in Tampa or Riverview. It's Tampa's Aces Oasis. Don't forget to hit that follow button.